IsNaN works fine for numeric values. Like here, in the console you can see that if we pass NaN value to isNaN function, then it is returning true. It is correctly checking the NaN values. But for non-numeric values it creates confusions. For example, if we pass a string NaN to it enclosed with quotation marks, it will return true. But in actual it is a string. It should return false as it is a string. But instead of returning false, it is returning true. Same for any string value passed it. Like here ABCD is passed it. It is a string value, not a NaN value, but as NaN is returning true.